Morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that's very important in our daily lives, mathematics. Some of you might think that math is only for the classroom or lab, but the truth is, we use math every day, often without even realizing it. Let's start with something we all do, counting time. Every morning, we will check the clock to see if it's time to go to the school. You're using math. You use numbers and whether it's 7 a.m. or 2:30 p.m. Knowing how to read time helps us stay on schedule and plan our day. Next, think about money. Whether you're buying snacks, saving your pocket money, or going shopping with your family, math is there to help you. Math helps you manage money wisely. Another example is when you're in the kitchen, cooking and baking also use math. When following a recipe, you need to measure ingredients like sugar, flour, and water. Sometimes you have to double a recipe or cut it in half. Math helps you figure out how much of each ingredient you need to make the perfect dish. Math is also very useful when it comes to shapes and patterns. Whether you're drawing, building with blocks, or playing with puzzles, you're using math to recognize shapes and see how they fit together. Architects and engineers use math to design buildings, bridges, and even playgrounds that are safe and fun to use. You ever help someone measure something? Measurement is another way math is used. Whether they're measuring your height, the length of the cable, or the amount of fabric for a project. Next helps you get the right measurement. It ensures that everything fits and works perfectly. Next is even involved in sport. When playing football or basketball, you use math to understand the angles and distance needed to make perfect pass or shots. Storming and keeping track of things also involves math. So whether you're on the field or on the court, math is always there. In conclusion, math is not just a subject we learn in school. It's a big part of our everyday lives. The more we practice and learn math, the better we become solving problems and making smart decisions. So next time you think, when will I ever use math? Remember that you're using it every day. At school, and every day. Thank you.